cracking little park up for our very first park for night using the app. You can see him behind me, there's a little castle there. We're just on the outskirts of Chester. Let me just show you where it is we actually parked. So it is a good sized car park. Not all the parking spaces are actually level, but we were okay, we weren't too bad. We had a beautiful A-class pull-up next to us last night. And there is a cafe just behind us. There's the rest of the car park. You get a little bit of road noise just behind where our van is there. But I'll be honest with you, it really does quieten down over night time. So yeah, we had a beautiful night's sleep. Now then, I'd say there's a little cafe. It's a dog-friendly cafe as well. I'll leave the 3 words down below for the park for night and where we are. There we go, there's the cafe. Now, it's not a free park up this one. Let's have a look at the charges. See what the charges are. Here we go. So there we go. Buses, coaches, good vehicles over 3.5 tons. 12 hours, 6 to 12 hours, 10 quid. Arrivals after 6 p.m, £5. And then if you have a smaller vehicle or go under cars, you can see the prices there. Nice easy pay machines. And there's another pay machine down the bottom. So we're going to check out the cafe in a minute, but let's go and get some jobs done first.
Just in Little Moo Cafe, we've just had an all-day breakfast, haven't we?
Oh, lovely, wasn't it? Lovely.
Really nice, really nice. So I'll show you what it's like. It's really nice in here. So it's got women and baby changing rooms. It's got disabled facilities, hasn't it, for wheelchair users. It's dog friendly, and it's right at the park for night where we stayed. I mean, the car park's really busy now. I'll show you at the counter as well. They do some lovely cakes. Look at that. They look really nice, don't they? Lots of teas, coffees. Yep, all in all, really nice little cafe. And how handy is it? We haven't got no washing up to do now, have we?
Oh, that's the best bit about it, is that when you get a breakfast in the cafe, it means no washing up, no dirty dishes.
Now we can just go and hit the road, get some shopping and head to Salisbury for the Overlander.
Stratford.
It's Salisbury, racecourse.
Stratford upon Avon racecourse.
Cut. So this was a £5. Stayed overnight. Bargain.
But bargain of a park up for a £5.
Yeah. There it is. There you go. That's it.
Take the next
There's
left.
a little cafe. Got grass on the roof of that cafe. Did you know?
Is it? We're on our way.
Where are we going?
The Overlander Show 2023.